Hello, what is up everybody? RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video. And in today's video we will be checking out our 2016 Bugatti Chiron. And not pure sport or anything, we have just a regular Chiron, of course. Number 2 out of 5 from Quarter Mile Heroes. And this is number 201 out of 250. And there is the car. So let's go ahead and open this up. Of course, we've seen this car come in a lot of colors back in the past. I have not reviewed a Chiron in such a long time. I believe in around 2 years, maybe around 2 years, and it's 2025. We've gotten our first Bugatti, what, in 2020 or 2021? I can't recall. That was during the COVID era. We got our metallic blue Bugatti Chiron as our first casting back then, and then it was recolored back in 2020 or 2021, I can't recall, in sort of like a nice looking metal flake black. I really do like that. Then we had a Zamak version, I think. Then it moved on to Car Culture. If you don't know, it moved on to Car Culture, and they've released it twice. And there's another one, if I'm not mistaken, coming in 2025, I think. Should be in matte black, also a Car Culture model. This one, on the other hand, is 2024. Yeah, it's 2024. Quite a nice, dandy looking model, as you can see. It's a very nice looking hypercar in, I would say, more to a dark red, nearly maroon sort of color. Really do like it. The nice paint job on this car is very nice. I really do like it. Of course, minus the details that Car Culture has, whereas mainline doesn't. But I guess without further ado, let's go ahead and take a close look at our nice looking Chiron right here. The return of the Chiron, basically our Chiron comeback, as people would say. Here we have the Bugatti Chiron. Nice looking car, as you can see, colored in sort of like this dark red, nearly maroon-ish color. I don't know, it appears to be a bit brighter in the camera, the red on this car. But you can see it's more to a small flake, sort of a tiny flake-ish sort of color. As if you can see, I don't know if you can see through the camera, but from my eyes I can see that there is some sparkle to the color, so I really do like that. So we have 10-spoke black colored rims right here at the back. Of course, we have plastic rims for front and back. The rear wheels are basically bigger than the front wheels. Of course, bigger wheel arch as always. We have the side step of the car with colored in black, of course plastic. Then we have our iconic C shape for our Bugatti Chiron. Very nice. Sadly, this car has officially stopped its production, and moving on to the next car, which is can't recall, never mind. The C shape, of course, at our Bugatti Chiron right here. Very nice. Basically nowadays we have the Bugatti successor, the Chiron successor. No side mirrors, of course, as you can tell. You can see that over on the front you do not have headlight details, as always. The grill is slightly off, as you can tell. It's not fully covering the whole horseshoe grill, sadly. Bugatti logo right there, some intakes on the front, and of course you have your front arrow, I guess, on the front bumper, I guess. Yeah. Moving on to the hood. Love the hood on this one, of course. Very nice looking one. We have our regular windshield tint, black dot interior, less details in the interior, of course. And it is a left-hand drive car. Very nice. Over on this side, you can see there is some issue here as well, as you can see on the top here. It's supposed to align with the C shape of the window of the car. Sorry, not window, but more to like the border of this in between the window. But sadly, it is not perfect enough, but still it's fine, I guess. Very nice over on this side as well. Nothing much of a problem except for this. Other than that, it looks cool. The roof pretty much empty. You can see the engine right here. If I'm not mistaken, it should be W16 engine. Should be in here. Very nice. Then you're supposed to have the rear spoiler right here at the back as usual. Then we have the rear, which has no rear lights, but then yeah, basically it's a plain empty rear basically. This whole part is plastic, by the way. Everything that's sort of like this black or near translucent color is actually black. It's actually plastic, whereas the red is supposed to be metal, as you can tell. Very nice. The back, sadly empty, but still what to do. So we have ourselves a plastic rear base right here. 2016 Bugatti Chiron, made in Malaysia. 2018 Mattel. So we got this in 2019, supposedly. And back at the time, yeah, it was oh yeah, I just started doing videos that time. 2019 was the day, sorry, not the day, but the time my channel was born, of course, if you don't know. And sooner enough, it's gonna be turning into a 6-year-old channel, surprisingly. It's 2025 and we're currently turning this channel to 6 years. 2019 February 29th. And yeah, after years of reviewing Hot Wheels, what else, Matchbox, Measurettes, and many other detailed diecast brands, I'm still here to review a lot more diecast cars for you guys to go check out. For all of my subscribers, my viewers, my Instagram followers, Facebook followers, and all, just for you guys to go check out and also look at my content. At the same time, you get to know what is any detail about the car, whether you would need one in your collection or not, or would you rather just save it for later, something like that. But yes, yeah, we're turning 6 years for this channel this year on February 29th. So yeah, that's very cool. But yeah, there you go. That is my review of the Bugatti Chiron, colored in this lovely looking red. There you go. That's my review. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See you in my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.